Let's look at how to create a continuous loop, folks. This is CapCut. If you haven't used CapCut before, it's a free video editing tool that's linked to TikTok, and you can download your video edits and utilize them on other social media platforms too. So what we've got here then, folks, is a video recording I took from end to end. And you can see I've put in the auto captions. The way you do that is just select text and select auto captions, as you can see down the bottom there. You can also select audio and sounds, and then you can pick music to put on as well, and that will be, you know, within the copyright regulations of TikTok, because CapCut is a TikTok product. So if I close that there, come back to the video, we would have then, as you can see, our captions at the top here, and the music has been put on because I have actually completed this, but you would really select music that's gonna, you know, suit the video and obviously tie in with the actual loop as well. We'll speak about that more in a little bit. So what I've got here, folks, is at the start of the video, it doesn't really seem, you know, reflective as the first word you would say in a video. If you listen to this. As an example, folks, I was on holiday one time with a pair of really expensive sunglasses like this. So that's actually going to be at the end of the video, folks, okay? And I've already made the cut in here, the split. If you just select the video like that with your thumb, you'll see the option to split on the bottom left here. And what you do then is, folks, with that split, you actually capture the end of it, that it's looping in to the start of the video. So the actual start of the video is here. If you don't want to lose, your sunglasses, the end of that first bit that I'm going to move to the end is going into that actual first part of the video. So to that end, if you don't want to lose your sunglasses, okay? So you have to play around a little bit with the scripts here, folks, to get it kind of right. I probably did about 10 takes to get this because I haven't done too many of these loops, and when you see people make these here, it looks, you know, like they've did it on the first hit, but no, it does take you a few times really to get it right, and they'll say that as well, that you'll have to trim the video and adjust it and retake it. And yeah, it's like anything. If you want to polish it, you'll have to do it a few times and just watch it back and then trim it as necessary. So when you've got your split done here, folks, all you do is highlight that, hold your thumb over it, and then just drag it to the end like so. All the auto captions that you created will get moved with it, folks, so don't worry about that. You can do your auto captions, and then when you drag that piece of video, that auto caption will get moved exactly how it was, all right? So you can see here that the actual start of that is easy to recycle as well. As an example, folks, I was on holiday one time. So you can see it's going into as an example. It looks like it's flowing with the rest of the video. If I go right to the end here, then you can see it's swept away. So to that end should flow back to the start of the video. If you don't want to lose your sunglasses, like so it flows. When that's put into TikTok, that will just continue on replay in a loop, and people will get locked into watching the video possibly more than once, you know, if it's an engaging video. And the music then, folks, so if we come back here, we select audio, you can pick your sounds, and what I've picked here, folks, is a sound that just loops over and over again with quite a similar, you know, vibe and a beat. If you look here, you can see like a peak at this point in the blue at the bottom, and then that peaks again here, it peaks here, so there's a rhythm going. So what I did was I got to the very end and I found out where this rhythm peaked here, and then I trimmed it to peak slightly after the start of the video. If I go right back to the start, there's the next peak there. So it was overlapping as close to, if not right at the point, you know, where the music would just appear like a loop as well. And if you are picking music, folks, it's best to pick music that hasn't got lyrics, so you're not trying to tie someone else's words into, okay? So just pick something that's suitable to the, you know, theme of the video, and something that's easy to put into a loop, okay? And The finished article, folks, I will link to this video and you can actually watch it. It was the previous video in TikTok on this day, okay? And it's easy to find, okay? Any questions, as always, folks, drop them in there. I'll leave this one with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.